This is Pal, getting very anxious because he wants to go on a bike ride. As you can see, he's got a sidebar. He's all excited. Wants to go. Contrary to what you might think, he's actually pulling me. This is Pal taking a breather from the bike ride that he loves so much. Okay, I'm going to talk to him. As he nestles himself into the ground. Pal, are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? No, you're not going to do it today? Okay, you be cute.